Some owners of the iPhone X have been complaining about a Bluetooth problem. Many reported to have Bluetooth pairing issues, and as a result, they can no longer enjoy the full potential of their devices. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone X has some Bluetooth pairing issues. First solution: restart your iPhone and Bluetooth device. Random software errors on both devices may be the underlying cause. To rectify these errors, perform a soft reset on your iPhone X and restart your Bluetooth accessory. To force restart your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up button, and then do the same for the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the power key for 15 seconds or until the Apple logo shows. While waiting for your iPhone to finish rebooting, also restart your Bluetooth device. When both devices have finished restarting, try to see if they can now pair or connect. Second solution: reset the network settings. After making sure that the problem isn't with your Bluetooth device, the next thing you have to do is refresh all network or wireless services on your iPhone X. You can do so by resetting all network settings. Don't worry, none of your files will be deleted. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone X will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution: factory reset your iPhone X. A reset will be able to fix network issues including this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.